Hello guys, this is the Tracks and Turrets YouTube channel here, and we will be doing a review on the Amazon M43 double buckle boots. These double buckle boots are honestly the cheapest that you could get them with a good amount of quality. Right now, they go for about $119 on Amazon. To wear this boot is very simple. First, you undo the buckles. These are honestly pretty easy. And then you just make the laces pretty loose so you could fit your foot in. I do have to say, if you plan walking around with these for a decent amount of time, I would recommend wearing two pairs of thick socks, because I walked about 1.5 miles in these things, and I got pretty bad blisters on them. So now, take your foot, put it in, and it's okay if it doesn't fit at first. Just gotta loosen this up even more. It does take a little bit to put these on, but these are way easier to put on than the rubber taps and the type 2 service shoes with canvas leggings. And then you just tighten these. Just easy. Then you tie it. Then you kind of stuff your pants in like the buckle cuffs. And you tighten it like this. And that's it. So these boots, when you get them from the box, they don't come like blackish brown like this. You have to dub them. So I use mink oil. A lot of people use like Herbert's grease or like World War II dubbing. The method that I use is I use a blow dryer and heat the mink oil up in the tin, and then I use a rag to spread it around. And yeah, it's very good waterproofing. And if you don't put it on, there's gonna be a ton of water going through your boots if you ever walk in water. Last week I walked like about 6 to 8 inches in freezing icy water, and I didn't feel anything. If you want to walk in water and feel dry, you have to really make sure that they're laced up good, they're nice and tight. As always, if you like what you see from this channel, you could hit the like and subscribe button down below. As always, thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you later.